Dear students, this is question number 7. It's exercise 5a, book 4, 8th edition. Given that fx is equals to half x, x plus 1, evaluate the following. Okay, now part 1 is fx minus 1. So what we have to use in place of x, we have to use the value of x as x minus 1. So first of all, I am writing the function. This function fx is equals to half x plus 1. Now I have to write the value of x in x minus 1. In place of x I will use x minus 1. So f x minus 1 is equals to half x minus 1. Then again I am opening the bracket. In place of x I am writing x minus 1 and then plus 1 that is given in the function. Okay, now f x minus 1 is equals to half x minus 1. I have written till here, I have written as it is. Now I am opening this bracket, x minus 1 and then plus 1. Okay, minus 1 and plus 1 would be cancelled out, so we can write f x minus 1 is equals to half. Now see very carefully, here only x is left and there is no other sign in between, so it means these all are multiplying. So I will write half x minus 1. I have written half, I have taken x over here and x minus 1. So this is part A. We have completed. This is the answer of part A. Now see what is in the part B. Part B is f x plus 1. Okay, now in the function we have to use, in place of x we'll use the value of x as x plus 1. First of all I am writing the main function that is given in the question. And now f x plus of x I have written x plus 1 is equals to half. Again in place of x I am writing x plus 1. Then again in place of x I am writing x plus 1 and then plus 1 is left over here, plus 1 and then close the bracket. See, all of them are multiplying. There is no sign in between, so I haven't written any sign. Okay, so f x plus 1 is equals to half. Now x plus 1 and then x plus 2, because I have written half as it is, x plus 1 x and 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the answer of part 2, part B. Now move to part C. Part C is fx minus fx minus 1. So see over here, fx, the value of fx is already given in the question. Fx is equals to half x plus 1. So I am writing half. In place of fx I am writing half x plus 1 and now write minus sign as it is. And now see fx minus 1. This is the value of half x minus fx minus 1. So I have taken fx value is this that is given in the question, and fx minus 1 is given half x minus 1. So I am writing the value of fx minus 1 is over here, half x and x minus 1. Now we have to subtract both of them. So now we can open the bracket, half x and x would be x square, x multiplied by 1 is x square and x minus again half. Okay, we have to multiply half by both. This is half x square, and here also I will take half x multiplied by x would be half x square, half x multiplied by 1 would be half x. Now again minus half x and x would be x square, and now minus would be plus half x, because if you multiply half x by 1 so it would be half x. Okay, now see, half x square and here minus half x square. This is positive, this is negative, so we can cancel both of them. So the value of fx minus 1 would be half x plus half x. It would be half x plus half x. So you know that half and half would be x, 1x, or we can write x. So the final value of fx minus 1 is x. This is the part C. Now move to part D. What is part D over here? It's fx square. So write the value in place of x. We have to use x square. Okay, so what is the function? First of all, I am writing function over here. This is our function, and now in place of x I will use x square. Hold the term I am writing as it is. Only in place of x I am using x square and plus 1. Okay, so this is half x square plus 1. If you want to solve it further, you can solve it, but to take it out in the simplest form, you will get answer again in this form. If you open the bracket and take common, so the answer would be this again. So this is the part D. Thanks for watching my video.